Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to verify account on Wise. So let's get started. First off, you have to log in with your account, and once you log in, you'll simply hit into the upper right side where your full legal name is, and then go to settings and click email because it's crucial to verify your email first. To do that, just click into the link that was sent directly from Wise into your email, and it will automatically verify your email. If we click into connected accounts, we can get started by adding a few applications or have a bank account connected. I'm just going to connect to my bank account, and then it's going to be asking me where is my bank account located. Just choose whatever you want to do. If you want to get an instant verification, you just need to sign into the actual bank account and directly have the money on your bank account. Lastly is to create a recipient. So hit enter recipient, choose who you want to add and enter the bank details, full name, and the currency they're going to be receiving. All of those elements are ways to get your Wise account verified. Just in case you have any questions, you can always contact them directly into the support center. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!